Hello, welcome to this product introduction on the governance section. As an administrator, you have the ability to customize your Atlan instance with tags, custom metadata, and badges. You can also set up your access policies through personas and purposes and edit groups of data assets through playbooks.
Clicking on the governance icon on the left-hand navigation brings you to the options contained in the governance section. The first option is connections, listing all of your data asset connections that have been created. Next are the personas and purposes, which allow you to set access controls for users or groups. Once the persona is created, you can create metadata, data, glossary, and domain policies that will impact how users or groups interact with Atlan. Purposes are similar to personas. However, a purpose is tied to a tag. Creating a purpose enables you to apply specific metadata or data policies to groups or users only on assets with the associated tag. Both personas and purposes enable you to personalize the discovery experience for your users, creating a more curated experience. The Domains and Products section allows you to create and view the domains and products created within your Atlan instance. If you do not have the Data Products module, this will show as domains, and you are able to create and update your domains that assets may be associated with. Forms allow you to create forms that require specific information from a requester when aspects like new data access requests or new entity creation requests are submitted. These are tied to governance workflows and allow you to attach a specific form for additional information to be given when a governance workflow is triggered. Governance workflows allow you to create and manage governance workflows in your Atlan instance. Here, you can view all the information related to governance workflows, such as the total number of requests and total number of approved, along with the statuses of the governance workflows. You can manage your governance workflows in the Definitions tab, along with creating a new workflow by clicking on the New Workflow button. When it comes to performing bulk automated actions on your data assets, playbooks are the easy way to accomplish this. With playbooks, you can create rules utilizing multiple different filters, and for assets that match those filters, bulk actions can be performed. There are many different actions that are available, such as attaching a PII tag to all columns with the word email, or updating ownership for all assets within a schema. If you have the Policy Center, it is available after playbooks. Here, you are able to see an overview of your policies, the number of open incidents, along with creating new and editing existing policies. The next section is the README templates. You can create different templates that can be used as the starting point for READMEs when you start enriching your assets. The README template allows for the standardization of documentation, ensuring that it is consistent and meets the needs for the context around your assets. The request section displays all requests made in your Atlan instance that are not through governance workflows. You can take action on these requests straight from the page by approving or rejecting them. Tags are a way to segment your data assets, whether you want to start identifying and tagging assets that contain confidential data to ensure compliance, or use them to group asset types by the type of data they contain, such as credit card data. Once created, tags may then be utilized by others to attach to your assets in Atlan. Badges allow you to add more prominence to your custom metadata. Here, you can create badges, associating them with specific custom metadata fields and their values. This increases the visibility of the custom metadata value, as it will now show at the top of the asset overview. Custom metadata allows you to create your own metadata fields that can be associated with specific asset types. Custom metadata is your way to make Atlan your own, adding additional fields that can be enriched for specific use cases within your company, such as designating a specific technical owner for all your tables. Finally, the Options section allows you to view and edit all the lists that your custom metadata fields access. Lists enable you to define a preset list of values for custom metadata fields to be enriched with. And with that, we conclude our high-level walkthrough of the governance section.